guys, so I got this electronic project lab thing, and I just made my first circuit on it. This is, it might look a little complex, but it's actually pretty simple. So I'm working with relays at the moment. If you don't know what a relay is, it's this guy. And basically what a relay does is it's a remote switch. So say you had a situation like there was radiation in a room and you wanted to turn a light on and off, that the light switch was in that room. That's a situation when you might use a relay. So it's basically just a switch that you control with electricity. So like I said, this is a relay. On this side here, it runs on 9 volts, and when you supply 9 volts to it and give it power, it's going to engage. And over on this side, you've got an input, and then you've got an engaged pin and a disengaged pin. So when this actually has power and it's engaged, it'll connect these two. When it doesn't have any power and it's in its normal state, it'll connect these two. So I want to see if it's working, so I have a separate circuit that is hooked up here that will supply power to an LED when the switch is engaged. So first we have 9 volts run into this. The other side of it actually goes through a switch. They call it a key, but it's right here. Basically just breaks the circuit going to the 9 volts here. You can see the blue wire. It breaks that, and until I press this button down here, then it completes the 9 volt circuit, and you can hear the relay click on. So that's the relay going into the engaged state and then back out. And then over here, like I said, we have a completely separate circuit. This blue wire you can see is coming from 3 volts positive. Comes into the input here. When this is engaged, it comes out this engaged output. Goes to a 100 ohm resistor, and then goes to the positive side of an LED. The negative side just goes straight back to negative for 3 volts. So that LED is right here, so when I push the button, you see that guy click on. Now it might look like I'm just directly controlling the light with the push button, but that's not what's happening. I'm controlling the relay with the push button, and the relay is then breaking or completing the circuit to turn the light on and off. So that's a basic relay.